Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figueroa & Associates. For a consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.
Hello, my name is Mary Campbell, legal assistant at the law firm of Figueroa & Associates, and your presenter with this week's immigration news. Green card holders warned. Criminal convictions and immigration violations may lead to revocation of status. Federal authorities have issued a stark warning to lawful permanent residents, those who violate U.S. laws, including criminal statutes and immigration regulations, may face the revocation of their green cards and subsequent removal from the United States. In a statement posted on X, formerly Twitter, U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, emphasized the federal government's authority. Under our nation's laws, our government has the authority to revoke your green card if our laws are broken and abused. However, immigration advocates and legal experts caution that revocation of lawful permanent resident status is not automatic. The Department of Homeland Security, DHS, must follow due process, which includes issuing a notice of intent to rescind and affording the individual the right to a hearing before an immigration judge. Only after adjudication may status be formally rescinded. Under the Trump administration, agencies such as CBP, U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services, USCIS, and Immigration and Customs Enforcement, ICE, have dramatically expanded their online presence, utilizing social media to issue high-visibility warnings. These efforts have included campaigns urging undocumented immigrants to self-deport and spotlighting individuals arrested on criminal charges. In a parallel crackdown, the administration is also targeting certain foreign students and permanent residents allegedly linked to pro-Hamas or anti-Israel activism. According to statements by Secretary of State Marco Rubio, the government is actively revoking visas and green cards of individuals it identifies as Hamas supporters. On March 9th, Rubio posted on X, "We will be revoking the visas and slashed or green cards of Hamas supporters in America so they can be deported." USCIS reinforced this message on May 5th, stating via X, "Green cards and visas will be revoked if an alien breaks the law, supports terrorism, overstays their permitted visit time, performs illegal work, or otherwise violates the terms on which we granted them this privilege or compromises the safety of our fellow Americans." Why this matters? This warning is part of a broader enforcement strategy that underscores the Trump administration's hardline immigration agenda. President Trump has reiterated his pledge to deport millions of undocumented immigrants and has characterized all individuals in the U.S. without legal status as criminals. The scope of enforcement extends beyond undocumented immigrants. Lawful permanent residents and individuals with valid visas have increasingly been subject to detention and removal proceedings based on alleged violations of immigration or criminal law. Key facts. As of January 1, 2024, there were approximately 12.8 million lawful permanent residents living in the United States, according to estimates from the Office of Homeland Security Statistics. While possession of a green card grants permanent resident status, it does not immunize individuals from removal proceedings if they are found to have violated the conditions of their status or committed deportable offenses. USCIS has stated that legal status may be revoked for such violations, subject to proper legal procedures and adjudication.
Our weekly immigration news roundup is brought to you by the law firm of Figueroa & Associates. For a consultation on any immigration or legal matter, please call 855-768-8845. That's 855-768-8845. For full stories and more immigration news, visit www.theimmigrantsjournal.com. That's www.theimmigrantsjournal.com.